What's going on?
I'm just fixing the tatas. Hey, what do you call your people? What are your peeps?
I don't know, they're my peeps.
Hey guys, yeah, this is a size small. Correct.
Morning guys. So waking up today was a struggle, but I had to. One reason, because I had to catch up on my kitchen rules. I missed yesterday's episode because I wasn't home when it was playing. Two, I need to head out literally right now actually to go to my spiritual mom's house. I need to use the Wi-Fi to upload the story time that is going live today. So crazy part is I actually did upload the whole video and I finished it at like, it was I think 9 p.m. I was like done with the whole thing, but I realized literally when it was like on 99% uploaded, like done, that I forgot to insert photos while I was telling the story. And I think for this particular story, the one about my dad's passing, I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to certain things, so I deleted the whole thing and I got home at like 9ish, and then I had to like edit the photos into the video. So I got that done last night. I slept at like midnight, so I'm awake now and I'm all dressed because I'm about to leave the house, head back over there to upload the video before 12 p.m. So hopefully all goes well. I also have a little garden update, but I don't want to tell you too much because garden vlog coming soon. So yeah, today's outfit is super cash. I'm wearing tracksuit pants, Vans of course, and then this yellow sweater, a polo neck because the weather's a little weird outside, and then my unstoppable denim crop. Yeah, I'm gonna head out now. I'm a little freaked out because I heard like people screaming in the streets. I'm scared that that dog is out again. My life.
Said the last drink was the last drink.
Love you.
You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me.
Good morning guys. So yesterday was hectic. I ended up not even having my phone for like most of the day, but I just woke up and I was initially going to stay in bed till 7:30, but Naledi came into our room and she was like, do not come out like just in a t-shirt. She just told us not to come out in a t-shirt or like anything crazy because there are boys in the house. We've been having a tap problem in the kitchen for a little bit now. It's been leaking pretty bad, so we called a plumber and he tried to figure everything out yesterday, but he couldn't like finish the whole thing yesterday, so he came back this morning and we were actually expecting him at 10, but because we had switched off our water for the whole night, he was just like, no, I was just thinking you guys would need like to bath early and like brush your teeth and stuff. Did I just say brush your teeth? Brush our teeth. We need to brush our teeth and stuff, so he made the trip a little early and they're actually working. They're not working on the tap right now because they left to go get something, but the tap is getting worked on. And yeah, I think until I can take a bath, because I'm like really eager to take a bath today, I'm going to watch MKR. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you how like the state of like the kitchen tap. It's like it's a lot. No tap. Tap is right over there. The leak was in there, so we had to remove the tile, which is what I'm stressed about because we're gonna have to replace it. And I don't want to put in like a random tile. I don't like those houses where it's like nice and like a brown tile. That would be wild. So yeah, that's what's happening in here. And we're yet to do all the dishes because we can't use the sink.
I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I
water just came back on, so I'm gonna water my plants real quick before the sun gets too high. I also took a bath, and yeah, so I'm just gonna prioritize the plants, the flowers. Now I don't know why I keep calling them plants, but they're plants. I'm gonna water my flowers.
I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me. Cause you're all that I want, would you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place.
Oh my god, there's pigeons on my flower bed. They're gonna poop, and then I like, no, I do the garden when like I'm like barefoot. It was a couple of vlogs ago where I showed you guys a couple of new Lay's flavors that I tried. I think it was the black one and something cheese gratin, I think. This one, tried it yesterday. This is potato chips. This is the Japanese teriyaki chicken flavor. First of all, I don't know what teriyaki is. Second, it just does not taste good. I love the packaging, it's a lot of fun, but it does not taste good. I don't like it. So I actually swapped out these in the morning when I was watching MKR. I swapped out these for knickknacks because knickknacks never disappoints. The one thing they can ever disappoint with is maybe not putting in like enough cheese. Like their prices don't go up. Like they're just real ones. You know what I mean? They're just real ones. Zama left me with the onions because she trusts that I won't burn those. But we're making a liver isbindi, which I love so much. My dad introduced me to it. I love it with bab, nothing else. And Zama makes it the best way ever. And that's crazy to me because she doesn't even eat it. Like it's just, I don't know. She puts in like, in my opinion, Zama's like the best chef ever. She's just a lot of fun. But she doesn't eat it, so I don't know what she's gonna have just now. But that's what I'm gonna have. So the guys left. They left like a temporary tap in until we get a new tap in, and they'll come back again and install that. So you guys, actually yesterday we were looking at a couple of photo albums, like 2 photo albums that we have, and I'll look for them again, but I just want to show you that my dad, you guys, because initially he bought this house for my mom. So when they moved in, the fridge was never in the kitchen. So before the renovations of the kitchen, the fridge was here, like right behind me. But now it's back in there. And you guys, it's because that's where my mom put it when they moved in. That is so sad, but it's so cute, but it's so sad. I feel so sad for him. And when we were building the kitchen, I was like, why are you putting the fridge there? Like, it looks so weird. The meal is ready. This looks so good. Zama is a boss. I love to have it with tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Usually not Nola. I don't like Nola because I feel like it's for salads and not for like food. Is mayonnaise for salads and never for food? Maybe. So I'm gonna put like a little bit of each and then I'm gonna devour this meal.
No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time.
Okay guys, so it's Zama's birthday month and she went to the mall today just to hang out by herself and spoil herself. Anyway, she went to Pick and Pay and got these chips, and I'm showing you now because Zama and Meej are not here. and I know that they're on their way, and when they get here these won't be here. So I only tasted the salt and vinegar flavor today. These are from Pick and Pay. At first I thought that they were Simba because they're like crinkly like that, but they weren't, and I could taste the difference because it was bitter. And then this is a spare rib flavor, so hopefully I can try that tomorrow or later today and let you know what I think. What? No drooling tonight. Zama just got these pillowcases. They're the same, almost the same color as her wall. I think it's kind of the same. This is her favorite color, but I feel like she's doing too much. You're doing too much. You're doing too much with these. These are from Sheet Streets. Were they super expensive? Oh, 16 rand. That's nice. For a pillowcase? No way. It matches the wall exactly. I'm so happy for you. Someone's been wanting turquoise pillows for so long. Nah, lady, I'm vlogging to Escom. I'm kidding. Okay, so yesterday I tried the salt and vinegar. Today I'm trying the rib and spare rib flavor. I actually like the spare rib compared to the salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar is too vinegary. Now Letty's cooking today. Dun dun dun. Well, now we know who's not gonna be eating. Noladi.
To be over, wanna get closer. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look.
Oh, we used to grate the tomatoes when we were growing up. Somebody else's turn.
No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Mimi, eat. Noladi called me to check the meat because he found out that you can't open the oven if you have eyelashes because they're gonna shrivel up. Fun fact. Artificial eyelashes. And I don't got none of that.
I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Good morning. It's Zama's birthday, but she's not awake yet. It's 6, so I'm gonna go back in bed and play Candy Crush until she's awake.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life, so my glass was half empty. But you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love.
Fiamma made this little present for Grandma. It's like an envelope on the back of the paper plate with a card in the front. And she put inside the envelope, she put 2 pictures of Mom and Dad and Mama in it because she says she didn't know what to get Zama. So that's what she got her. Cute.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
That's us. Zama! Your pigeon actually flew away by me. Zama doesn't want to be on camera because we just woke up. But that's why vlogging is so much fun. Because we can just be a mess. Just be a mess with me. I'm trying to be a mess alone. Get in the damn sun, guys. You're not in the sun. I look like shit too. I've got a pink eye coming in. I haven't had cake. I'm just
Guys, contagious. I'm in Miami.
Zama! It's Zama's birthday, everybody! Look, I just told the neighbors it's your birthday. I was thinking, because it's your birthday, I'm gonna let you pick one thing from the 29 shop for you to keep. Except my red trucker.
Don't want that even.
That deserves to go to somebody out there.
Oh my god.
What are you gonna pick? Yeah. For free. So we've got the trucker. This is out of it. We have that. We have this jacket. We have this wrap. We have these pants. We have this crop. Is that what you're picking? Yeah?
Dun, dun.